Discovering the Nonagon, an advanced shape exploration. Hello, language learners. Today, we're stepping into the world of advanced shapes and we're going to explore a special one, the Nonagon. If you've been following along, you'll know that learning how to describe shapes is essential for enhancing your English vocabulary. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a Nonagon is, but you'll also be able to describe it confidently in English. First off, what is a Nonagon? It's an advanced geometric shape with 9 sides and 9 angles. The name itself comes from the Latin word nonus, meaning 9, and gonia, meaning angles. This word is an excellent addition to your English vocabulary, especially if you're into mathematics, architecture, or design. Now, let's break down how to describe a Nonagon in English. A Nonagon, being a 9-sided polygon, has a unique and interesting shape. You can think of it as a nearly round figure, but with distinct, straight edges. When the Nonagon has equal sides and angles, it's called a regular Nonagon. If not, we refer to it as an irregular Nonagon. Regular Nonagons are often symmetrical and uniform, while irregular Nonagons can have a variety of appearances. Applying new words in sentences is the best way to remember them. So, here are a few examples of how you can use Nonagon in your conversations. 1. The architect designed the park in the shape of a Nonagon. 2. The company's logo was a bright, blue Nonagon. 3. Each of the children drew a Nonagon on their papers. Practicing these sentences will help embed the term Nonagon into your everyday vocabulary. We've learned about an exciting new shape today, the Nonagon. Shapes are everywhere in our daily lives, and understanding how to describe them is a great step in advancing your English language skills. Keep practicing, keep describing, and before you know it, you'll be confidently talking about Nonagons and other advanced shapes in English. Thank you for joining us on this geometric journey. Don't forget, practice is key when learning a new language. See you in our next lesson, where we will explore more fascinating topics. Happy learning!